3D part off on the screen.
It is.
Oh.
I'm recording.
Let me see.
Downtown Las Vegas. Caesar's Palace, which you always hear about on TV. And over here, what's that building over there, Stephanie? That round one.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
Caesar's Palace, that's all Caesar's.
That's part of it? Okay. The Mirage.
Caesar's Palace has 3 buildings.
What's this right here?
Harrah's.
Oh, it's Harrah's.
That's a nice up there.
That's all Harrah's. I'm not getting anything like that. I'm just getting buildings. I'm focused on other stuff.
I just told you to get that. Oh, this is the end of the...
Ooh, yeah, the Space Needle. We are in Las Vegas, looking at all the different signs. I'm particular about the signs I like to show.
This is the old Las Vegas.
The old strip? Is
Yeah.
it the strip? Ooh, pretty palm trees. That's a big building. What is this, Circus or something?
Yeah, Circus is over here, and then that's the Riviera.
Oh, that's Circus right here. Circus. Cool. And what did you say this one? Oh, Riviera. Let me see if I can focus it better. Okay, that's pretty. I like the Space Needle. It's cool. It's pretty cool.
I could do it while it's moving, Grandma.
Yeah, you could.
Look at the Circus Deja.
Huh?
Look at the Circus.
I know, but Mama, they were like the things stick to the Where's Circus?
Right there.
Is this the Circus sign right here?
Yeah, you can barely see it.
I'm trying to see it, but it's kind of like palm trees in the way.
Yeah. And the guy was taking a picture next to it too.
Okay, we will soon be up to the picture. Oh, look at the entranceway. The entranceway to the Circus. It's so pretty. Circus. building.
Used to be the Sahara, but it's
Oh,
got
it's
shut
closed down.
Mhm.
Oh, that's fun. They went broke.
Her bankrupt. Birthday, Mom. Grandma's birthday is on Australian Day, and I said.
It's okay to
And
say
then I
that. That's
said-
funny.
And then I said, "Good day, mate."
Actually, it brings humor into it, I guess. That's all right.
We're just-
Oh, McDonald's!
Can we go to McDonald's,
Not
please?
that one.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Why?
Because I passed it already. Do you want to push this
Oh,
down?
here we go. Okay, what is this?
Holiday Motel.
Oh, wonderful.
For the hood.
The sign's too big.
Well, look at how ghetto that is, and the sign's all nice.
This is a ghetto hotel.
With a nice sign.
With a nice sign. Oh my god. What is this place?
What? That's Stratosphere still.
Oh, this is still
was
the
scared to
Space
go on it.
Needle.
Stratosphere.
Okay.
I'm scared to go on the
Oh,
stratosphere.
wow. It's very, very pretty. Wow, the entranceway. Let me turn this.